Alright, so I'm gonna show you how you can zoom in and out on Capcut, right? So I'm not gonna make this video too long, so make sure to watch this until the very end. If you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for more. I'll really appreciate it. Now I'm gonna set the frames to 60. From here, color space. Now you can go to about this one, 2020 SDR, or here resolution adapted, and then the original. I'm gonna select this one here and customize. Actually, I'll select adapted, and here ratio. I'm go with this one, and then I'll click on save, and changing frame rate will just take few seconds. And now what we're gonna have to do is to click on import here, and then I'm gonna click on download, and here I have this video here. I'm gonna click on import. I have done this video here, and what I'm planning to do here is to zoom to this portion. So what you can do, so to decide what's that frame you like to zoom in, I'll go about here. So I'll add a cotton. That's not something I do every single time, but it can help me if I'm cutting a lot, if I'm making a lot of cuts. So also here in settings, just make sure you check this, because otherwise you'll get some log. At least that's what I problem had. And also clean your cache size. And now also clicking here in shortcuts, you can see all the shortcuts. Let's say to split, Command B. I can set this to Z. Also, we're gonna click on here. I'm gonna set this to Z, and then here and to Z, so I can split fast, and all ahead here another cut. And now here to this portion, I can see here the video. So if you click on the video, you'll get this tab. All right, on this new version. Now you have a lot of options here for Pro. You can also sign up. You get more features: noise reduction, relay, auto reframe, removing video flickers, AI movement, camera tracking. Anyways, but what we need here is to here to add position and size, because we can change the position like so. We can just grab and move this, but maybe we want to add zoom in, right? What we're gonna have to do is to add a keyframe for scale here. When you click on here, you have added a keyframe for scale. And now you're gonna see here this icon right over here, because we added this keyframe here. So we're gonna see this icon here. Keyframe means that scale is like registered, is like remembered by Capcut. And now when we move this around here, and I'm increasing the size, I'll increase from here the size. So around like this. Now I will zoom in, and now you will get this zoom in to that portion. Now this is what I cut this video. Now maybe I'll add a keyframe here. Now, because we have a new video, it's not going to remember the keyframe from the other video, because it's a different video, right? So now I'm gonna keyframe here, but I'm planning also to add a position, because I will change the position. And now I don't change anything for position and scale, but I'm gonna change now the position and scale. I'll zoom in, and then I'll click. You can click on the video, right? But you can also change the position from here. You go like that, or you can click, you'll just click on a video and you drag left and right, and the position will change. You see, you'll move this, you'll get a different position for Y and X axis, and you move, you see, you'll see the different number here. And I'll change and move the video around here. Maybe it's to zoom in like this, and I will zoom exactly where I want, as you can see exactly here. Now with keyframes, you can also, maybe if you have two videos, another video on top of the other one. Now there's two, and I have the video here, and then I add a keyframe for position, rotation, scale, scale, rotation, and position. And I'll move the video around here. Actually, I'm just gonna move the playhead and further, and in our video, and then I'll move the video here. I'll change, and also I'll actually change the rotation like so. And now we also have we changed the position, but we didn't change the scale because we also added some scale. I can increase the scale of the video here, and now it's changing this size of the image of the video, but also the rotation and the position. Instead of being here, is located here. And yeah, with keyframe we can zoom in, and now we added the zoom in, right? We added the zoom in, but to this video, right? And now we can add, let's remove, crop this, and I'll add some, now we can just add scale and then position. We can move a couple of frames, and then we can zoom in to this portion, and then we wait a couple of seconds to this frame, this portion. Depends on how long we want to wait. We can, depends on how long you like for the viewer to see this portion. And then I will actually zoom out, reposition the video like so. And now it goes like this and like this. So it zooms in and then zooms out. Or another thing that you can do so it looks this more realistic, I'll press Command Z. So instead of like you add now the keyframe for scale and then position, but wait a couple of seconds, like you move a couple of seconds, not wait, sorry. And then you zoom out, right? Then you zoom out and you change the position of the video, and now you have zoom in, zoom out, and that's pretty much what you need to do. Now, of course, you can resize our video, we can crop, remove what we don't need from our video. We click on the video, we're gonna see the keyframes. Another thing that I want to show you is if you want, let's say we have this video here, we want to magnify, to zoom on one portion, so we can click on blend here and decrease the opacity. And then I'll click on here and click on crop, and I'll like also to zoom to this portion, confirm. And now I'll just position this here, and I'll crop this portion, and then this portion I'll just remove then. So, and now we have this portion, as you can see. And then here we have some effects we can use for our video. So we have different effects. Let's say this one you like. And then what you're gonna have to do here at the end, we have this video here, and then we're gonna have some keyframes. So we can click on scale here and then position. And the video should be located here, right? And make sure it actually is matching. And if you want to make sure it matches, just decrease the opacity, and that's going to help a lot. Very easy. And I have this video here now. That's the position of the video. And you can decrease even more the opacity if you want to, or you can add some effect maybe to this, but just depends on what type of effect you want to go for. Also, you can add maybe some motion, but make sure you can increase a little bit the opacity, and also for adjustment you can increase the contrast, so it makes a difference, so it's more visible maybe, or looks just different. And then what you're gonna need to do here, after we add a keyframe there, we're gonna move a couple of keyframes, and then here I'm gonna zoom the video and I'll position this video here. And also make sure the opacity is back to normal if you want to add that kind of effect. But I mean, you won't get the effect only if you add, because you can add keyframe for opacity as well, but we didn't add, but you can. And now we have this video going from here and here, and then you can zoom the video. But what I would like to do here, I'll just undo. And what I'm going to do, I'm also going to add a keyframe for this video as well. I'm going to select the video. I'm going to add a keyframe for scale, position, and then, yeah, that's about it. And then for this video, I can add some for opacity, as I said, and then I'm gonna move a couple of keyframes. I'm gonna move the video here. It will be added a keyframe. If we already have one, it's going to be added automatically another one. And I'm gonna zoom in. And then for this one, I'm gonna select the other video. I'm gonna move it here. I'm gonna place it here, and then I'll select the video, this video again, like so. And then we have this effect. No, it's not really super complicated effect at all, but because you could have added so many other things. But yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos and tutorials. And like this video if you found this helpful.